Here we go. Ready for number 9. So turn on your study guides to question number 9. Boys and girls, the reason I chose question number 9 is because it will help you with question number 3 on your test. So if you're taking your test and you get stuck, go back to this video and watch this question number 9. Let's read it. It says, 2 friends spent the morning picking up trash to clean up their neighborhood. Nancy filled 7/8 of a garbage bag. So she got a good little bit of trash there. 7/8 is almost 8/8, and 8/8 would have been a whole bag. Anna filled 7/4 of a bag of trash. So it looks like she got a lot of trash. Now here comes that important how part. Y'all read it with me. How many bags of trash did Nancy and Anna pick up all together? So we're going to have to decide, what are we doing here? Are we adding the girls' trash bags, or are we subtracting one from another? That how question is what tells you what to do. How many bags of trash did Nancy and Anna pick up all together? If you vote that we should add, you are correct. Yay! Because it said all together, we want to know how much trash she picked up plus how much trash she picked up all together. Notice your denominators are not the same, so I'm going to have to give myself some 8s multiples and give myself some 4 multiples. So scoot over to the side and let's do some 8s, let's do some 4s. Remember, do the smallest number first. Sometimes we get lucky and we don't even have to do the big number. So let's do the 4s first. 4, 8, ding, 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 ding. I don't even have to do any more. Always do your small number first. 8 will be my common denominator. Write it beside your old one. Put the add on him. This one is going to be simple. I don't even have to rename this to an equivalent fraction because it is already in 8s. I'll just copy it. If it makes you feel better to say I'm wanting on the bottom, so I'm wanting on the top, you may certainly do that. But there's no need, just copy it. What did I do to 4 to turn it into 8? 4 times 2 is what got me to 8. So if I'm 2ing on the bottom, I'm 2ing on the top. And 7 times 2 equals 14. Now I have my 4th grade problem. It's doable now. My denominators match, so we'll copy that. We will add 7 plus 14, add it up, 21. I don't have a whole number, so I end up with 21/8. 21/8 is not a choice. So I'm going to have to come back and figure this thing out. Everybody say improper. You're right, that's improper. So 21 divided by 8. Let's figure it out. 21 divided by 8. If you've got your counting charts, look at your 8s right now. If you don't have your counting charts, you need it. 8 times what gets me close to 21? Well, I know 8 times 3 is 24, so that's too much. I busted. Back it up. 8 times 2 gets me as close as I can get to 21 without busting. Subtract. What is 21 minus 16? 5. What do I do with that 5? Shrink it down, drag it up. 2 5/8 is my answer. What was the question again? How many trash bags did the girls pick up all together? So the final answer is 2 5/8 bags of trash. That's what the girls picked up all together. Now, I don't even see 2 5/8 as a choice. So let's figure out what our answer is going to be. And boys and girls, if I were you, I would take my paper or my hand, if you're on the computer on the test, and I would cover up all but one choice. Let's just look at choice A. Remember, I'm trying to find 2 5/8. That's one whole. And I don't even know what that fraction is. I could count it up, but there's no need. because that is not 2 wholes. So it can't be A. I'm going to get rid of A. Let's look at choice B. And again, I'm going to cover up everything that I don't really need to be looking at right now. I don't want to get confused. So I'm looking for 2 5/8. Again, that's 1 whole, and that's a lot, but I don't need 1 whole. I need 2 wholes. So I'm getting rid of B. It can't be B. Let's look at choice C. Uh-oh, there's 2 wholes. That looks good. Let's count our fraction to see if this could be 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2 5/12. I don't think that's what we were looking for. We were looking for 2 5/8. Oh man, I thought I had it. All right, let's look at the last one. Maybe this will be it. Cross your fingers. Well, the 2 looks good. That's whole number 2. Let's see what our fraction looks like. Remember, count everything first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 pieces. Let's see how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! I think we found our winner. So even though I don't see the number fraction 2 5/8, I see the model 2 5/8. So my answer to this question is choice D. That's the model that matches the math. We were looking for a model that matched the math. Be back in a few.